Hi everyone, this is Wafalanga and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. We are discussing the 15th kind of verb, that is auxiliary verb. Today we have got the 8th modal auxiliary verb known as will. The definition of modal auxiliary verb will is a modal auxiliary verb and it is used for request, invitation, order, offer, willingness, prediction, promise, emphasis or stress, and abbott's threat, criticism, and insistence. So we are going to discuss today the modal auxiliary verb will. As we discussed, modal auxiliary verb will is also a modal auxiliary verb and it is also a helping verb of future indefinite tense. Now we will be using it as modal auxiliary verb and it is keep in your mind used for future possibility, and the percentage of modal auxiliary verb in future is 50%, and it is informal way to use it in your sentences in written. Now we have got the first usage of modal auxiliary verb, that is known as request. We use it for request like, will you send me the bill please? This is known as request. And for the sentences of request, you will be using please at the end. Or you can bring it at the beginning, please, will you send me the bill? Both are right. And will you help me please? Number second usage, that is invitation. When we invite someone, we'll be using modal auxiliary verb will. Will you join the party? It is known as invitation, as asking question. Will you have more tea? Again, inviting someone to have some tea. The third usage of modal auxiliary verb, that is order. All the teachers will attend the meeting. Now this is the order of principal who is giving it to his teachers, that all teachers will attend the meeting and they will clean the room. Now that can be the order of a house ad who is giving this order to his peons or to the workers to clean it. In the same way, the fourth usage we have got, that is offer. Will you join our team? That is offer to someone. And will he start business with us? Again, it is offer. And keep in your mind what is difference between invitation and offer. Invitation can be for a short term of period, but offer is used to ask someone permanently or for a long term conditions. In the same way, we have got willingness, where, as it is said, where there is will, there is a way. For willingness, you'll be using this. We will take admission in university. And here, someone has willed to take admission in university. And after that, I will read with you if you agree. It is your willingness, we will read together. Next is prediction, and prediction is of 50% in future, as I told you at the beginning of lecture. He will have reached office by now. In my point of view, he will have reached by now, but I have not seen him here. Just it is my prediction, and they will have finished now. Work now, work by now. Here again, you are going to predict it in future. Next, we have got promise. And when you keep promises with someone, you'll be using modal auxiliary verb will. I really will stop smoking. Here, you're promising with someone that I will stop smoking. And we will definitely pay you back next week. You have borrowed someone money, you're going to give it back. You'll be having promise with someone, you'll say, we will definitely pay you back next week. Emphasis and stress. I will play football. Here, for stress, keep in your mind, we will stress the modal auxiliary verb. Like, I will play football. This is what to show your emphasis or stress to someone that I'm going to do this work by oak or crook. And next one we have got, we will continue our campaign. No one can stop us. And habits. Like some people have got their habits, they it is hard to leave them. So where you will be using the sentences for habit from making it with the help of modal auxiliary verb will. She will sit talking to herself for hours, and they will talk about cricket if you sit with them. So that is their habit. When you talk, when you sit with them, they will speak about cricket. When you threat someone, you'll be using modal auxiliary verb will. I will kill you. This is known as threatening someone, and they will see you in the court. Someone is going to threat someone that we will see you in the court. And insistence. When you insist for something, I say, I will not come with you. Now here it is my insist that I'm not going to come with you. And I will achieve my target, and that is known as the usage number 11. And the last one we have got, that is habit. She will sit talking to herself for hours, and he will start chewing chewing-gum. That is again an habit which is hard to live. So hope you've got today's model auxiliary verb will. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.